Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the tool. Simplibook.me is a powerful online scheduling tool that simplifies the booking process for both businesses and clients. I've been exploring its features, and it offers a wide array of functionalities to streamline appointment management. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger operation, Simplibook.me can be a valuable asset. One of the key strengths of Simplibook.me is its flexibility and customizability. It caters to diverse industries, from beauty salons and consultants to healthcare providers and educational institutions. This adaptability makes it a versatile solution for various scheduling needs. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and manage appointments. Clients can easily book appointments online, 24/7, eliminating the need for phone calls and back-and-forth emails. This self-service feature not only saves time but also enhances the customer experience. For businesses, Simplibook.me provides a centralized platform to manage bookings, client information, and staff schedules. This streamlined approach improves efficiency and reduces administrative overhead. The platform also offers features like automated reminders and notifications, reducing no-shows and keeping clients informed. Beyond the core scheduling features, Simplibook.me offers integrations with various other tools and platforms. This interconnectivity enhances its functionality and allows businesses to seamlessly integrate it into their existing workflows. From payment processing to marketing integrations, Simplibook.me provides a comprehensive suite of tools to manage and grow your business. While exploring the platform, I found its reporting and analytics capabilities particularly impressive. These features provide valuable insights into business performance, allowing you to track key metrics and make data-driven decisions. Overall, Simplibook.me is a robust and versatile online scheduling solution that can benefit businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly interface, customizable features, and comprehensive integrations make it a compelling choice for those seeking to streamline their appointment management processes. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient scheduling tool, I encourage you to check out Simplibook.me.